Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Airtable to n8n. Basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and create your own token on the Airtable website right here. So just head over to the developer hub, click on your profile icon, click on the developer hub, and from there, you will then be taken to this page on which you have to click on the personal access tokens. Go ahead and create your own token. And now we are ready to head over into n8n. So let's just go ahead and create our own workflow. And from here to go ahead and simply connect both of the platforms together. You then want to go ahead and put Airtable as the automation. So just click on the first step. Go ahead and make sure to simply add your own application. In our case, it's going to be Airtable. And from there, you then want to click on the actions button. Now in my case, I then want to create a record on my Airtable. So from here, you then want to click on create new credentials. Click on the access token, and then you want to paste your access token that you have created from your Airtable account. Right after, you then want to choose the resource, operation, base table, and more. Now, the most important part on this step is to simply go ahead and paste your access token, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.